In this equation, we need to solve for b. b is in the denominator, so we can use the inverse operation of division, which is multiplication, to eliminate b from the denominator and isolate it. However, we also need to consider what to do with a and f, as they are also in the denominator. To handle this, we multiply both sides of the equation by a times b times f, ensuring that every term's numerator is multiplied. Ones do not need to be explicitly written. In the first term, a divided by a equals 1. In the second term, b divided by b equals 1. And in the third term, f divided by f equals 1. Again, ones do not need to be shown. Next, we focus on grouping all terms containing b on one side of the equation. We can subtract the term b times f from both sides. This results in b times f minus b times f on the left-hand side, which equals 0. On the right-hand side, b appears as a factor in two separate terms, so we can factor b out and place it in front of parentheses. The remaining factor, a minus f, can then be divided from both sides of the equation, canceling out the entire parentheses term on the right-hand side. At this point, only b times 1 remains on the right-hand side due to the division, and since 1 does not need to be shown, we are left with b. Finally, the sides of the equation can be swapped, so b is isolated on the left-hand side, completing the solution.